Hi, it's Inez Reader with ParkBench.com 72212, and this morning I'm here with Jay Sinati at Wraprite Packaging. Jay, tell us a little bit about what you do here.
Thank you. Wraprite's been around for a number of years. Our main business is, of course, mailing and shipping. And the great thing about our store is that um, we carry all businesses such as FedEx, UPS, post office. So we're just not a one shop, one brand. Basically, once you come here, you can request, or you can say, hey, I want to ship this FedEx, or I want to ship UPS, or we will find the best carrier for you that will get your package from here to there with least expensive way.
So you're actually one-stop shopping for all your shipping needs.
Exactly.
Terrific.
Exactly.
You all do a lot of crating and shipping of specialty items.
That if I can point out to one part of our business that's been very well known here in the community is that we specialize in custom packing of all type of important and anything that's been in your family that you want to send out to your relatives. If you're an artist that you have a piece of art that you want to send to somebody from point A to point B, we can take care of it for you.
That's fantastic. I know you all have helped me out on a number of occasions, not just stamps, but packages to family across the nation.
Sure.
I really appreciate it, and I'm so glad that you're also in my neighborhood. How long have you all been here?
Well, Wraprite has been around here in this neighborhood in the same location for about 35 years. We have owned the business for nearly 20 years now. And Joe Troll and I work the business, and it's really a family-oriented type of place where we are proud of the fact that we have, over the years, have made so many good friends, and they keep coming back.
Generations and generations.
Generations and generations.
Well, I thank you for your time today. I know I'll be back
Sure.
probably tomorrow or the next day.
Absolutely.
Don't forget to get in to see them before the holiday rush. It is on. And for your little hoglets, there's all sorts of great Razorback things to buy,
Oh, definitely.
and gifts and note cards and all sorts of fun packaging. Come see them here.
Thank you.
Tell them what's your address.
11323 Arcade Drive. We're next to the new restaurant Petite Keith here on Arcade Drive in West Little Rock.
Now, you all have some great hours, far better than the post office.
Oh yeah, we're here from 9 o'clock until about 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening during the weekdays, and we're also open on Saturdays from 10 to 3.
Marvelous.
Yeah.
Thank you again.
Sure, you're welcome. Thank you.